In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique vintage and glitch effect on your images using Canva. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and apply this artistic touch to your visuals. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already, make sure to log in. Once that's done, you're on your way to transforming your image. Locate the Uploads as Is section on the Canva interface. It's typically on the left sidebar. This is where you'll need to be to get started. Now you can simply drag and drop the image you want to modify into this area. Canva only requires one click and it goes directly into your workspace. Quite handy, isn't it? With your image uploaded, you'll need to move over to the Edit option. You can find this on the toolbar above your image, loaded with customizable options. Click on it and enjoy exploring the world of filters that Canva provides. You'll want to click the Filters option. When you're ready, look for Seal to explore all the creative presets available. Scroll down through the options. This might take a little scrolling, but it's worth it. Keep an eye out for a filter called Eldar. Selecting it will immediately bring a vintage tint to your image, reminiscent of classic tones. Once you've applied this filter, you'll notice how it starts transforming your image. Next, return to the Edit option. This time, we're exploring a different feature that will add a fantastic glitch effect to your imagery. Scroll further down all the way to Apps. There's a lot to explore here, but our focus today is on an effect called Bad TV. It's a fun glitchy touch that takes your image back to the funky aesthetics of retro television screens. Go ahead and click Bad TV, then navigate to select the Fuzz effect. This increases that nostalgic glitch. Once you're in this creative space, you'll see several customization options appear, allowing you to tailor the effect to your liking. Lower the scanline's amount and decrease the scanline width to refine the look. This ensures that your image maintains clarity even as it embraces the nostalgic glitchy design. Don't forget to dial down the static effect a bit for a more refined finish, minimizing any overwhelming noise. Finally, when you're satisfied with the overall look, you're ready to save your work. Click the Save button, ensuring all your edits are secure. To complete the process, hit Download. Opt for a PNG format as it will preserve the quality and vibrancy of your carefully crafted image. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a beautifully stylized image with a vintage, glitch-inspired aesthetic using Canva. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using this effect in your creative projects.